Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy agua de mazapan. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's make our agua fresca. To the blender cup, add 10 mazapanes, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend, 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cups of milk, and sweetened condensed milk. Depending on how sweet you want your agua fresca, then it depends on how much you're going to add. I'm just going to add a little bit because the mazapanes, they're already sweet. And now we're just going to blend it until smooth. Okay, and once we have that, we can transfer it to our jar and strain if you need to. Here we're also going to add 4.5 cups of water. Okay, now mix it. And just taste it for sweetness and see if you need to adjust it. But for me, this is always perfect. And just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is honestly my favorite agua fresca. It's so refreshing, it's so delicious, and it's made in under 5 minutes. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. If you like mazapan and horchata, you're definitely going to love this one. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious agua fresca de mazapan. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.